Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, the XLT black appearance package, the tow and haul package, as well as the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, of course. We do have mud flaps on the rear, nice grip running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, as well as blind spot detection and turn light indicator mirrors. Moving to the front, we do have a nice hood deflector, front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, there's a block heater in there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system. We got 2 cup holders right there, a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 right there. And of course, if you need more storage space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, as well as the same black interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Looking at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 12.6 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main menu, volume and media, phone and media. Your volume is right here with your voice and cruise control right there. On your main menu, you can go for My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, information, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue your look here, you do have a nice leather-wrapped center console, gear shift. You also have speed adjusters, which is also collapsible, providing with more space, nice little pen slot, 2 cup holders, leather-wrapped center console, which does fold out for a nice interior work surface. You also have plenty of storage down here as well, with 2 USB-Cs. You have a wireless charging pad, storage, USB and USB-C, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive and drive modes, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, a 12-volt, 120. You do get storage in the glove compartment, and clicking this you get storage there as well, and above as well. And right here, we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. Auto stop out start, 360 view of your vehicle, and all the features you can show. So the side view of your vehicle, which is pretty nice. Park assist, hazards, and traction. Looking at your main screen here, you have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, your phone, navigation, of course, your fave apps, which you can select from these few, your apps in general, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or any apps you've downloaded, your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB01528, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.